Hi guys, it's Colette, and for day 7 in my 12 days of Christmas nail art, we're going to be working on this Snowflake Dotticure. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting off with clean dry nails, I'm going to begin with the base coat. I'm using Holo Taco Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. For my base color today, I'm going to be using Zoya Caitlin, and for the dots, I'm going to be using Essie Nothing Else Metals. As usual, I have a small lid for my polish, and I'm going to be using the small end of my blue dotting tool and both ends of my purple dotting tool. Once you're done with the snowflakes, you can finish with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Sèche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I really like how this turned out. I thought about having every nail the same, but I decided to switch it up both in placement and in snowflake shape. If you'd like to see the extended tutorial, that will be up here on YouTube shortly, and if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.